It's past 7 a.m. July 28, Sunday. It's a cloudy day. I'm sure the sun is up, but it's behind the clouds. So we are now exploring Corporate Woods here in Philinvest, Alabang. Corporate Woods. On the right is the road sa The Palms. Let's change to from the third to the second gear at the front for softer pedaling. On the left is Block 10, then on the right is FEU Alabang. Ayan, dadiretso tayo towards the yellow bus. Mysterious, enchanted Corporate Avenue. So on the left, parking lot, dating trail, and on the right na ginawa na siyang bus parking. So ayan, hindi siya masyadong puntahan dahil wala pang mga buildings, establishments. So mapuno. So on the other side, yan yung expressway. Yung taas is Skyway. So we have some runners today. This portion hindi matao. So if you want peace and quiet, dito ka. Usually mga Sunday crowds nasa Central Park. So paakyat, incline. Let's see our gradient. 1.6. 3.8. Lubak-lubak. 8.4. 7.6. 7.3. Tayo. Yun. After the climb, syempre, ang masarap na descent o lusong. Mabilis, pero hindi tayo pumital. So, pabalik na tayo. Still on Corporate Woods. Paahon uli. According to the XOSS by computer, nasa 2 hours and 7 minutes moving time. Distance, we have covered 39.55 kilometers. Up ahead is on the right Block 10, then on the left FEU Alabang. Meron tayong Sunday crowd taking advantage of the cloudy weather. Sarap mag-bike lalo na kung malilim, di mainit. I think last April or May merong casualty doing the trails dahil sa heat stroke. So naman at that time ang temperature is around 38, 36, then yung init factor sabi nila mga umabot ng 46. So if you are not careful, yan nga, hindi ka umiinom ng tubig o hindi ka sumisilong sa dilim, prone to heat exhaustion, heat stroke. So ayan, ikutin lang natin ang kabilang street. And this is our exploration tour of the Corporate Woods here in Philinvest, Alabang. So yan, pasok tayo dito. Close road siya sa mga big vehicles, pero pasok tayo dito. Yan o. Yan. So yun. On the right merong mountain bike trail dyan. Tapos on the left, okay, this is it, Pansit.